Okay, just stay right there. Dylan, move. Yay! You did it!
Yay! Dad, this time I got it! I had it! See, Dad? Daddy, you do it better. You do it. Now, can you do what you did to Colton?
No, you're a big girl. You can do it. Go do it again.
Go over there.
No, do it again in the driveway real quick.
Maddie, you look even better than Colton because you go from here all the way.
Alyssa, you need to move out of the way. Move, Colton. Maddie's going to go. Colton, move out of the way because Maddie's going to go right there, please. Come over here.
Go, Maddie, you can do this! Maddie, you can do it all by yourself.
Just wait, just wait, just wait. You just got to pedal.